Hello everyone, I will present you today a game changer app for content creators, or to start a content creation business.
The voices you hear in this video are generated by the latest advancements in AI voice technology. Artificial intelligence is getting better every day, and now with Human Talk you can leverage multiple groundbreaking technologies under one roof. Don't take my word for it, everyone is talking about AI and how it can simplify our life and maximize productivity in business. With Human Talk you get access to multiple groundbreaking technologies, including a high-quality neural text-to-speech voice generator featuring 800 male and female realistic neural voices in all popular languages and accents. An AI-powered emotion-enabled voice creator to add life to your audio and take your sales and conversions to the next level. An unlimited AI content writer to generate full-length articles and content on any topic without writing a single word yourself using just a keyword. A powerful content spinner to rewrite old scripts and turn them into fresh readable content using next-generation artificial intelligence. And a full-feature content summarizer to automatically turn large articles into bite-sized readable content that is easy to consume. This is all possible with the click of a button using Human Talk. Everything you need to create unique content, produce compelling voiceovers, and create iconic marketing messages and educational media is included. Human Talk is the first app in the market to feature a huge library of over 800 premium male and female neural voices. This is the largest collection of voices seen in any one app. And for the first time ever, you also get access to next-generation premium AI voices with emotions. Create voiceovers in the perfect pitch, tone, articulation, and emphasis to match your marketing message. You can have me and my friends infuse life into your audio and speak in a variety of emotions, mood, and tone based on your script. Here are some examples. Based on your script, I can be really sad and express my inner emotions.
Or open up my vocal cords and shout at the top of my lungs.
Or keep it on the down low and whisper your message to your audience.
I can also act terrified while reading your message. Or just be hopeful and excited to bring life into your voiceovers.
Anything you write can now be turned into a fun and engaging voice with the hundreds of AI voice actors available inside Human Talk. Generate voiceovers in a variety of emotions including professional, excited, hopeful, friendly, unfriendly, terrified, shouting, or a whispering tone. Finally, voices generated by artificial intelligence can now mimic human tone and pitch to evoke emotions and take your marketing and audio-visual campaigns to the next level. Get access to everything including the premium emotion-enabled voices inside your account at no extra cost. And for absolute ease of use, you can sort the voices within the app based on project type, language, age, gender, or emotion to find the perfect voice that suits your needs. There is no other app in the market available with so much value packed into one package. You get everything for an affordable price you see below. Want to see some voice demos? Here are some examples of the realistic voice options included inside Human Talk.
Get started in 3 easy steps. No technical experience is needed. Step 1. Generate long-length script on any topic with a single keyword. Step 2. Select from hundreds of male and female natural-sounding human voices. Step 3. Enter your text and generate an ultra-realistic voiceover in seconds.
Diga adiós a los autónomos, las costosas aplicaciones de software y las tarifas mensuales. Cree contenido ilimitado y locuciones en minutos. Ahorre tiempo y dinero y haga su trabajo más rápido con Humantalk.
Utilisez les voix off et le contenu que vous générez dans des podcasts, des messages vocaux, des présentations vidéo, des vidéos éducatives, des vidéos YouTube, des médias sociaux, des livres audio, des promos de produits, des campagnes marketing et bien plus encore.
Conquiste qualquer objetivo de marketing com tecnologias de voz de IA alucinantes que não estão disponíveis em nenhum outro aplicativo. Isso é perfeito para empresários, profissionais de marketing de mídia social, professores, estudantes, comércio eletrónico, blogueiros, editores e profissionais de marketing digital.
शामिल वाणिज्यिक लाइसेंस के साथ आप वॉइस ओवर ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन ग्राहकों को भी बेच सकते हैं और सभी लाभ रख सकते हैं। आपको कम एक बार की कीमत में सैकड़ों आवाजों तक पहुंच प्राप्त हो रही है। कोई छिपी हुई फीस या मासिक लागत नहीं है।
Your purchase is covered by a 30 days money-back guarantee. No upgrades, no hidden fees, and no monthly costs ever. Nothing like this is available in the market right now. Due to massive demand and overhead cost of providing premium voices for less, we cannot keep this low one-time price live for long. This deal might expire without any notice. Click on the button below to place your order, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.